I was getting a lot of inquiries from my subscribers related to Dubai real estate market. So I thought of showing you one of the properties in Dubai South, that is Emaar South. You can see the model here and I'll tell you more about this property. This property, it started construction in the year 2016. And talking about the location of Emaar South, it's a strategic location. Why? Because it is only 1 hour to Yas Island. Now, Yas Island, everyone knows that Disney is coming up with their theme park on the Yas Island. Also, if we want to talk about the Jebel Ali beach, that is around 6.6 km long, it's only 25 to 30 minutes drive from here. This community is very close to the airport. You'll get the aviation city, you'll get the logistics city, you'll get the Jafza, and you'll get the Jebel Ali industrial area closer to these communities. So this community, when it started at 2016, it started at a price of approximately 700 per square feet, and now it's trading at a 1400 per square feet. Expo City is very close to Emaar South, and we know very well that a lot of business opportunities will be coming in the Expo City in future. Majorly, Fortune 500 companies will be attracted to Expo City, and according to the plan of the Dubai government, in 2040 the population would be around 7.8 million. According to the plan of 2033, they are planning to double the economy. So we can see the opportunities that would be coming in Dubai South. A lot of people will be employed in the nearby vicinities, a lot of people will be employed in the airport, and so many people will look to accommodate themselves in different parts of Dubai South. That's why the major focus is Dubai South, and people are investing a lot of money in Dubai South, because in future, if you will see a community where there is 18-hole championship golf course, it is Emaar South. And if you will see other communities that are coming there, you won't be able to find a community like Emaar. Emaar, they saw this vision in 2016 only. In 2016, they started their community. At that time, the airport was not even announced, and now you see the development in Emaar South. People are already staying there. If you'll go, you will see the movement in the Dubai South vicinity. A lot of job creation, a lot of logistics development, a lot of industrial work, a lot of aviation work. Each and everything you will be finding in Dubai South in future. If we talk about this master community, it spans over 5.5 square kilometers, integrating the commercial, the logistic, the residential, the aviation and the golf zone, which makes it an urban community to live. As said by the ruler of Dubai, that the city which they are going to develop around the airport, it would create housing opportunities for 1 million people and job for 5 lakh people. Just imagine 1 million people coming there, which will create more housing opportunities, more demand for short-term rentals, and these demand will be boosted by number one, the foreign travelers in terms of tourism, and the business travelers who will be coming to this vicinity. So someone who is having a villa, a townhouse or an apartment in Emaar South, just imagine what rentals they will earn in future, as the major workforce will be coming near this airport. So you will find people moving in Emaar South that will not only boom the rentals as well the capital appreciation in future. So the major workforce who will come in Dubai South will obviously like Emaar South, making it a thriving community to live in. Also, when we talk about Emaar is that one community who has given the investors to earn a lot in the past. When Dubai Hill Estate was launching, people used to say that it's an industrial zone, no social infrastructure, no metro, no golf course, nothing. Now see how Dubai Hills Estate has evolved, and this is going to be the next Dubai Hills Estate or closer to it. Because tell me one community where you will find a golf 18-hole championship golf course in such prices. I mean 1400 per square feet you are entering, and you are buying a townhouse here. It's a very lucrative price to enter here. So it's my request to all my investors sitting in US, UK and other part of the world, we still have some townhouses and apartments in this community, and some more townhouses and apartments, villas will be launching in the future. If you're watching my video, please reach out to me regarding your investment opportunities. I would be very happy to help you all. Also, please hit the like button and subscribe button so I can give you more insights related to Dubai real estate market.